Welcome to another booster lesson from the CSEC Maths syllabus. We're looking at computation. Question 1. We have two specimen questions here. So part A, you're asked to evaluate 2 1/3 all squared. What you need to do is to work out what is inside the bracket here. So 2 1/3 is the same thing as 3 times 2, 6 add 1, that's 7. So we have 7/3 all squared. What this means is that we need to square the 7 and we need to square the 3 as well. So 7 times 7, that's 49, over 3 times 3, that's 9. So we have an improper fraction here. So we can simplify this. We need to find out how many times 9 can go into 49, and that's 5 times, and remainder 4/9. So our answer is 5 4/9. Let's just look at part B. You're asked to calculate the exact value of 3 1/2 over 1 1/2 plus 2 1/4. Let us work out the top part of the fraction here. 3 1/2 is the same thing as 2 times 3, that's 6 and 1, 7/2. This line means divide. Please remember to put the divide. Let us work out the bottom part of the fraction here. So we have 1 1/2 plus 2 1/4. Let's change these to improper fractions. So 2 times 1, that's 2 and 1, that's 3/2. Plus 4 times 2, that's 8 and 1, 9/4. So we have 3/2 plus 9/4. But if you note, the denominators are not the same. But there's a relationship between 2 and 4 because in the 2 times table, 4 is in it. So we can make the lowest common multiple 4. So if we times this 2 here by 2, and we have to times the numerator by 2 here as well, we would get the denominators as the same. So in this case, let us simplify our fraction. So the denominators are the same now. So 2 times 2, that's 4. And we have the denominator as 4 here as well. So what we have is 2 times 3, that's 6, plus 9/4. So the denominators are the same now. So we can add the numerators. So in this case, our denominator is 4. And the numerators here would be 6 plus 9, that's 15. So we have 15/4. So in this case, we have 7/2 divided by 15/4. Now, if you can recall, when you divide a fraction, it's the same thing as multiplying the fraction by the reciprocal of the fraction that you're dividing with. So in this case, 7/2 multiplied, when you divide a fraction, you multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the number here. So in this case, the reciprocal of 15/4 is 4/15. And this fraction can be simplified because you can half 2, and that gives us 1. We can half 4, and we get 2. So what we have left is 7 multiplied by 2. 7 times 2 at the top there, over 1 multiplied by 15. So our answer is 7 times 2, that's 14/15. And that's the final answer. Okay. Please have a read at the examiner's report on the CSEC Mathematics 2012 exam. It shows that question 1 was attempted by 99% of the candidate, 9.6% of whom earned a maximum mark. So it shows that we need to have an increase in terms of the percentage of students earning full marks on the exam. This is really, really too low. So please watch the videos because I will be uploading more. Thank you for listening, and I hope you do understand how to manipulate these fractions and indices.